Hello, welcome. This is Mr. Heeb, and I'm going to start with a new program that is going to be a text editor. You've used text editors. You've probably used Microsoft Word or Google Docs, or there's a whole list of other ones where you can write stories, you can do things. Ours are not going to be as powerful as those two, but you'll get the kind of idea of how we could make something like that. So we're going to start off like we always do, importing everything. We're going to create an app. Let's make this title Chippewa writing. I don't know. Hope that works. And so we got to think about our layout of this. I'm going to throw an app.display down here just so we don't forget it. So now we have our basic structure. Now what I'm thinking is we have to have a place where we can open files and save files, and a place at the bottom where we can type. So if we want to, we could let's start at the top. Let's make a box. How about we call it a saving box, where we can save and open save files from that, and have that in the app. And let's give it a border. I like defining things with a border. Let's have a thin border of 1. And what we're going to need in the box is we need an open push button and a save push button. So I'll say open. Now we can't look how it changed color when I said open. If we just left something as open, Python knows that to mean something else. So we don't want to save anything by just the word open. So open button, let's have it. It's a push button. And we're going to have that in our saving box. And we're going to align this to the right. And that might be enough for now. Oops. There we go. And now let's have a save button, where we have a push button. Pretty much the same thing. So we're going to put it in the saving box, and we'll align it to the right. Well, we should probably have something in these like a text. Let's have text equals save, and then up here text equals open. Hopefully the top one's open. Yeah, perfect. So now when I run this, we'll name this new writing app. And now these are here. And now they're not aligned to the right because this is just as big as our boxes. But let's put something on the left. Let's have a text box. And let's have it called like file name, because that's where we're going to put in our file name. Text box, and that's in the saving box. And let's align that to the left. I don't think we need anything else there. And when we click on it, oh, that looks pretty nice, but it doesn't look super nice. I'd like more room to write than just that. So let's fill this all the way. Let's do a width equals fill. Now I don't know if I've mentioned this. If you don't know exactly how big you want it to be, if you say width equals fill, it will fill as much as it can. So now, based on our screen, the width is a little bit bigger. Now let's take our box here, and if I say width equals fill here, that will fill from left to right. And now we have this whole area to write, and that looks a little bit better. Now there's one thing that I'd like to say something on top here. So let's have a text widget, I don't need to have it saved as anything. Let's just say text. Oh, let's not have it in the. Let's have it in our savings box. Saving box, and let's have the text just say enter file name. And then if we run it, our setup is looking good, and that is our top. That's what we want.